Hey, how you doing? Drawing is the greatest magic trick ever invented. And this optical illusion art activity illustrates that point really well, but it does something really important. It teaches young artists that with a bunch of lines and a few marks that they can trigger the imagination of the viewer and make them see something that's not really there. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use a ruler, a pencil and a felt tip pen to make an illusion of a drawing sinking into the table. In fact, I'm going to show you two. I'm going to show you how to make a circular one and a square one, and they're both a piece of cake. Hello, my name's ArtJohn, and if you think that art is important, especially in education, then this channel is for you. So we're going to start the first one. This one is how to make the square optical illusion. You will need a ruler, a pencil and a black felt tip pen, and a rubber to tidy up later. Draw a square in the middle of your paper. I'm making mine 10 by 10 centimeters, but that's up to you. Draw a diagonal line from the bottom left corner to the top right corner to make two triangles. In the bottom triangle, draw 3 vertical lines to the diagonal line. Then in the top triangle, draw 3 horizontal lines to join them together. Use your black felt tip pen to colour in every other part to create some stripes. Now you'll need to shade in the bottom half, making it darkest at the bottom corner and fading out as it gets lighter. I'm using a regular HB pencil, which is likely to be what you have, but if you do have a set of shading pencils, then this is a great chance to use them. Oh, and if your young artists struggle with shading, get them to practice with shading tornadoes first. Now you'll want to do the same in the other half, but this time don't shade it as dark. Use your rubber to tidy up the edges if you need to. Now turn your paper so that the square is at an angle, and bend down so that your eyes are at table height to see the illusion work. And if you want to get some IT into your art activity, then whip out your iPad or whatever camera you have available and try to get your young artists to play around with the angle of which they're photographing or videoing to make that optical illusion work. You can try putting things on top of it to break the illusion, rolling pencils and pens on top. It's a lot of fun. There's no right or wrong answers, you just got to experiment. And this is how you make the circular one. It's just as easy. You will need the same as before, but with the addition of something circular. I'm using an old CD. Draw around your circle stencil. Then put your ruler under the circle drawing as a guide and move your circle stencil across, drawing an arc. Repeat this until you get to the end. And just like before, colour in every other part to make some stripes. Then shade in one half of the circle, making it darker towards the lower edge. And then take a look. So if this has been useful to you and you've learned something, then you can help the channel grow by clicking the thumbs up button below. And if you want to, you can subscribe and click that little bell logo, and that way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Other than that though, enjoy making this with your young artists, and I'll see you in the next video.